Today we're going to be taking a look at how to get the most from the free note-taking app OneNote. If you don't already have OneNote, you can get it by going to onenote.com/download. In this video, I'm going to cover 12 things you need to know to get the most out of OneNote and to set it up in a way you'll find conducive to productivity. Throughout the video, I'm going to be using my Assistant's Business Binder template as an example. And if you would like a copy of the template, I'll let you know how you can get it at the end of the video. Hint, it's free for EA How To Plus members. You can also use timestamps in the video description to skip ahead. Tip number 1. Set your background and default font. There's no need to change the font to the one you like each time you create a new note. You can set your default font by going to File, Options, General, and setting your default font along with the default size and color. You can also set your Office theme to dark mode or white by going to File, Account, and selecting your preferred theme from the Office theme drop-down menu. Tip number 2, set your paper style. Whether you like to use a coloured page, grid lines, or rule lines, you can change all of these settings by going to View, Page Colour, and View, Rule Lines. Tip number 3, choose your tab layouts and colour. When it comes to OneNote, there are two kinds of people. You're either a vertical or a horizontal. No judgment here either way. Go to View, Tabs Layout, and switch between vertical and horizontal to see which you prefer. To change the colour of a tab, right-click on the tab and then select Section Colour and then choose your colour. Tip number 4, password protection. You have the ability to protect your notes with a password. In this example, I want to password protect section E. I'm going to right-click on section E and then I'm going to select Password Protect this section. You can see that section E isn't password protected right now, so I'm going to click Set Password, then enter and confirm the chosen password. It's worth noting that password-protected sections are not included in notebook searches, and flags used in password-protected sections are not included in the note flags summary unless the section is unlocked. And this brings me to tip number 5, which is all about searching. OneNote has powerful search capabilities that make it easy to find any note you've ever taken. OneNote can search typed text, handwritten notes, words, tags, and even text that appears in inserted images. On your keyboard, press Ctrl F or click the magnifying glass icon near the top of the page list. In the search box that appears, enter a search word or phrase, and then press Enter. By default, OneNote searches across all sections and pages within the current notebook. To search for tags, enter the name of the tag, such as important or critical. Don't search for the content of the tag. Just below the search box, click the arrow to adjust the scope of the search if necessary. You can search all notebooks, the current notebook, the current selection, or the current page. To see the results of a tag search, click the Tags tab under the search box. While we're on the subject of tags, let's make them tip number 6. Think of tags as a highlighter. Tags allow you to tag something in your notes so you can revisit it later. To add a tag, place the cursor at the beginning of the line of text you want to tag. Click Home, Tags, and then click the icon of the tag you want to apply. You can search for tagged notes by keyword or category and see the results in an easy-to-read summary. If you're enjoying these tips, I'm going to keep them coming, and I'm going to ask you to give this video a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to EA How To for more brilliant EA content. And moving on now to tip number 7. Did you know you can copy the text from a picture or file printout in OneNote? OneNote supports optical character recognition, which is a tool that lets you copy text from a picture and paste it in your notes. This feature comes in very handy. If you've ever been handed a pile of business cards and been asked to create a list or a spreadsheet with the information, this is one way you can do that task easily. Click on the picture and click Copy Text from Picture. Click where you would like to place the copy text and then press Ctrl-V. Tip number 8 is Transcribe audio in OneNote. The Transcribe feature converts speech to a text transcript with each speaker individually separated. This is really handy for transcribing a meeting. From the Home tab, click Transcribe and upload your audio file. Select the Add to Page menu and choose whether you would like to add just text, text with speakers, text with timestamps, or text with both speakers and timestamps. It's not perfect, some words might be missed or incorrect, but it's pretty close and it does a really great job. Moving on now to tip number 9. Did you know you can add meeting details from Outlook into OneNote with one click? Let's say you're taking notes in OneNote for a meeting happening today. From the Home tab, go to Meeting Details, select the meeting, and add all of the meeting details to your page with one click. Tip number 10. Create an Outlook task in OneNote. In OneNote, select the words that you want to be your task. In this example, I'm highlighting Proofread Annual Report. In the menu that appears, click the arrow next to the Outlook Tasks button and choose a reminder. A flag appears next to your task in OneNote, and your task is added to Outlook. Tip number 11. Take advantage of templates in OneNote. When you're setting up a new page, you might want to take advantage of one of OneNote's templates. They're nothing fancy, but they are worth exploring. From Insert, click on Page Templates. In this example, I'm going to click Business and Formal Meeting Minutes. You'll get a template that you can adapt so you're not starting from scratch. And my last tip, tip number 12, is to learn some favorite shortcuts. My most used shortcut in OneNote is Ctrl-T to create a new section. I also use Ctrl-Tab a lot to move to the next section, and Ctrl-Shift-T to jump to the title and select it. I'll link to the full list of shortcuts in the video description. Throughout this video, you've seen parts of the Assistant's Business Binder A to Z template. This template helps you build your own assistant manual with instructions on everything from giving directions for deliveries to expense procedures, HR systems, contracts, training, and more. Every assistant needs a business binder, and this is the perfect template to get you started. The Assistant's Business Binder is free for EA How To Plus members. EA How To Plus members get access to replays of EA How To webinars, exclusive resources and templates, an invitation to our small group coaching sessions, discounts on all paid courses and resources, and lots more. Right now, membership is just $47 a year. Not per month, just $47 a year. It's an absolute bargain, and I would love to see you join us. Visit eahowto.com to learn more, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!